Hi traders, today is 27th of February 2020. We are now live day trading crude oil market WTI and NYMEX April 2020 contract futures contract. So at this moment we just received a short sell signal from my live Telegram channel. So the signal is to short the market at 46.34 and TP got two price level of TP today, 46.17 and also 46.10. So this moment we're still waiting for our order to be filled in. So let's go back to the chart. So there's a strong bearish movement since the beginning of London session today, and you can see the market keep try to go for the bearish movement. Time now is 9:22 a.m. New York time. We are now entering the US session. Okay, we'll just focus. This is my entry here, the purple line, and my TP targeted is at 46.16. I took in between, and hopefully the price will go there without any problem, and hopefully it will be a fast one. That's what we are hoping. So much more easier, less stress. This is what the epic signal supposed to be, man. Okay, so let's take a look on the volume. There's a large volume waiting at 46.20. Just above our TP targeted area. So other than that, there's no interesting price level been seen on the higher side. So let's take a look on the downside. 46.05, 120 suddenly lost, now 70. 46.00, 150 is quite common, so we might enter any moment. Okay, so bottom side, I hope it's not a sideways movement. Okay, we are already in the market, so let's take a look. We are minus 2 ticks. Okay, in case the price are very strong to reversal 46.20. Why there's a high volume here at 46.20? This is not really good for our position size. Okay, I need to check on my mini account as well. So S&P was a good one just now, scalping $72. But this one is not official US session signal. US session signal will begin soon in next few minutes. Okay, alright. So still minus 7 ticks. Let's wait patiently. Sorry, pause the video, and once the price make a better move, then we'll resume back later on. By the way, please watch this video to the end. Maybe you can see whether is it a good profit or loss trade from my live trading signal. So there's also link in the description for you to guys to join in. And let's wait. Now we are seeing a blue candle. We want a red one, so minus 9 ticks at this moment. So let's hope everything's will settle down and go burst to the downside. Traders, we resume back again. So looks good at this moment. You can see that now we are plus 7 ticks, going to plus 8 ticks. So the market looks quite interesting. So the lowest just now is 46.20. So which means from our entry point at what's our entry point? I also forgot. 34 is 10 ticks already. So now it looks like a minor pullback. Hopefully it will not. Okay, I just said that. Now the price pulled it back. So by the way, this is the trading US session. Oh, very strong one. So let's wait. Oh, okay, it's quite interesting because markets seem like more volatile at this moment. Okay, let's wait patiently. At this moment you can see there's a strong bearish movement. There's a formation of lower, always a new low, now creating a new low. Hopefully this will not be a full reversal sign. Okay, now we back at 2 ticks, $20. So the target is around $16 or $17. Sorry, 16 or 17 ticks, which is around 160 or $170 in profit. So looks good. We can see now a big red candle being seen. I'm also looking at this moment to go enter the market with micro E-mini S&P futures. So they're supposed to have a signal any moment soon. Okay, now we are plus 9 ticks, plus 7 ticks, plus 8 ticks. Okay, seems like very strong. So okay, nice. So we are breaking through to 46.23. So okay, there's a high volume at 46.20. I'm not sure whether this, where's my support line? There's no support. Let me include support line for a while. 5 points. Okay, let's take a look. Where are we? We are already in the bottom part of the price. Okay, now price is 140. It looks good. I think we can exit any moment soon. Any moment soon we will exit, or we'll go flat. So now plus 90 plus 100. So waiting in case the price remove back, then I will exit my position at the market. I will buy back at the market. So looks good. So the target price is very volatile. It's a bit hard now. 110, 100. So this is the current profit. So we'll exit. I will exit my position. So this is my exit point at 46.19. So it was a good profit of 1550 US dollar. Sorry, 140 or 140 US dollar. So it was a good trade, not as quick as we expected, but it was a good one. And at this moment, the market did reverse fully to the other side, and we end our session today. So thank you for watching and have a good day. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, and comment below. There's also a link in description. Feel free to click on it to join my live signal Telegram channel. So okay, I think that's all. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.